I'm tired of pretending I have it all together because lately I've been feeling like I'm failing. And that's a hard thing to admit out loud. I'm a Christian, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I work a 9 to 5, and somewhere in between all of that, I'm trying to build something for myself too. I'm trying to chase after my dreams of becoming a content creator. I've had this dream from I was about 19. And if I'm honest, some days feels like all of this is impossible. Some days I feel like I'm doing a little bit of everything, but not enough of anything. Like I'm constantly behind. But lately I've been asking myself, what if balance was never about doing everything perfectly? What if balance looks different in every season? What if some days being a good parent means just sitting still with your kids? What if chasing the dream means moving slower than I hope? What if success isn't having it all together, but refusing to give up on yourself while carrying a lot? So, if you're a mom, a dad, or just someone trying to hold it together, maybe you're just carrying more than people realize. You're not failing, and maybe probably doing better than you think.